I bought a 2022 Trek Marlin 5, my first bike for about 30 years, and here's a little fault I found. So here's my new Marlin 5, I've had it for a fortnight now, and I've got to say I'm very happy with it. It's a typical Marlin 5, got it in the dark or black colour with grey trim, and very happy with it. It's probably, well, it is the most expensive bike I bought, and very happy with it. 750 Australian dollars here in Adelaide. So I've clocked up just over 100 kilometres, and got a sore ass, but anyway, that's what happens I guess when you ride a bike. Just up here at O'Halloran Hill National Park, having a bit of a ride, and so you can hear all the traffic noise, and somebody ran past us a second ago. Anyway, after a week of riding, I noticed there was a problem here with these. It was actually with the cable to the gear shift for the front derailleur. What's happening? It was originally ran above the brake cable here, so it came across the top, and every time I turned right, it would come up and it would catch onto that little bolt there. It would catch like that, and then when you turn the steering wheel back, it was caught, and I ended up, I damaged the cable, had a big kink in it. So as soon as I finished the ride where I noticed that happening, I rang the shop where I bought it from, and made an arrangements, took it straight down there, showed the guy in the shop. There was no arguments, no quibbles, no nothing. He just looked at it and said, "Oh dear," took it out the back to the workshop. Half hour later they returned it, and they've replaced the cable. They've rerouted it under the brake cable, and they put these two little clips on there to keep the cable separated and tied together so they don't jiggle around and catch up. So I don't know whether it was an installation fault, because while I was in the shop I had a look around. There was a couple other Trek Marlin 5s, 2022 model, same as this, and the gear cable actually did go under the brake cable on all of those, but mine was over the top. So I don't know whether it was an installation fault, installed incorrectly when it came out of the box or whatever, or I don't know if it's a design flaw. So it'd be interesting to see if anyone else has had any problems, because it really is a great bike. Maybe the cables could have been a little bit longer just to get clear out of there. I might make up a little thing to screw into there just to give it a little bit more protection. But anyway, apart from that one flaw I've found so far, it's a great bike, and for a beginner, it's ideal. And just to close off, I just wanted to say that in no way am I blaming the shop at all. Actually, matter of fact, the after sales service I got from them was exactly what you're looking for, and put a lot of confidence and trust in me that I can go back to that shop. I'm not going to name them because I don't know if they're at fault or not, but it doesn't matter. Everyone makes mistakes, and it's how they recover. That's the key, and I was very happy with the after sales service that I received. Okay, bye.